Today, we are talking about School Vehicle Management app. This app was created by Smarter Technologies. Here we have a splash screen. This shows the school branding and the vehicle theme. It appears when the app opens. Here we go to the parent login. This is the welcome screen of the School Vehicle Management app. It briefly explains the user can track, pick up and drop points and schedules. By clicking Let's Start It, the user moves to the login process. This is the login screen. User enters their mobile number and gets logged in. Then the user receives OTP verification. This ensures secure and verified access to the application. Parent can update their profile by entering their name and email. Then the user can add their student details, their class, section, and student name. They can click Add Student if they have more than one child. Then appears the main home screen page. Here, parents can view their added students, see approval status, check upcoming vehicle schedules, add new student using Add Student button. Next screen, we have ongoing vehicles. Ongoing screen displays vehicle number, pickup point and drop point, pickup time and drop time, and the track button. User can click track button and view the current location of the bus. Next screen, we have upcoming bus schedules. For each date, it displays vehicle number, pickup time and location, status like upcoming and ongoing. Then the next screen shows the detailed information of a specific trip. Driver's name, vehicle number, route number, pickup or drop point, option to track or call driver. Next screen shows the route map from the bus to the home. Then, if you want to update profile, you can update it in the future. Finally, for the parent app, we have notification screen and the menu screen. Moving on to the driver's login app. Same as parent's login, we have splash screen and the login screen. Here at login, mobile number will be registered by the admin panel and the password will be allocated by the admin for each driver. At the driver's home screen, we have pickup point, vehicle number, time, quick navigation option. Then at ride list details, we have pickup date and time, number of students to be picked up, car type we use to pick. Starting point to ending point, in between we have the stop details. Next, we have the location screen, the route map. Then we have start kilometer screen and end kilometer screen with the end trip details. At the trip report, admin and the driver can check the kilometer traveled per day. Finally, the driver can update their profile, receive notification and have menu screen exactly like the user app. So overall, this application connects parents, drivers and school management in one platform, providing real-time tracking, safety and better communication. Thank you.